So it's T minus 4.5 minutes, and we are here for the live stream of SkyRoad,
As
India's
as
first
we
privately
enter
built
the
orbital
final
rocket.
few minutes of countdown, another key safety milestone is underway. The head mount safe arm mechanism will be activated in a while.
Along
I'm
with
here
this
with my
HMSA
simple
safety
rocket
mechanism, we have
pen.
one more layer of safety,
Looks very
which we
similar
call
to
the
how Vikram
FTS or the CDS, Command
1
District
is on the
System or the
launch
Flight
pad.
Termination System. This is
And my Chono is
utilized
watching with
when
me.
if the vehicle
Hi,
during
Chono.
its flight mode tries to or like deviate from its intended flight trajectory, then the
Let's
range safety
go.
officer can take a call
T
to
minus 2 minutes.
instruct the vehicle to safeguard the resources around it.
T minus 2 minutes.
We are now entering to condition the liquid stages on Vikram 1. So the orbital adjustment module is now conditioning itself and preparing for liftoff.
T minus
With the
1 minute.
views
T minus
of
1 minute.
Vikram 1
Let's
and
go.
join
Come on,
you
Vikram 1.
shortly at
Minus
liftoff.
Yes, I'm
55
watching
seconds.
it. Let's
Minus
go.
35 seconds.
30 seconds to go.
Minus
Come on,
20
we will do the
seconds is the
countdown
call out now.
together.
Minus 15 seconds.
10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
0.
Let's go!
And
Woo!
we have liftoff of Vikram 1,
This
India's
is such
first
a
private
fast
orbital
launch.
vehicle, and we have great views coming
It
from
just
our
lifted
cameras.
off
And isn't
like
this
what?
quite something?
विक्रम वन ने अपनी उड़ान भरी है, प्रथम चरण का प्रज्वलन प्रारंभ हो चुका है।
This is
विक्रम
one of the
वन ने
fastest launch I've ever
प्रक्षेपण
seen. Like,
पथ को लांघकर आकाश को भेदने का निर्णय ले लिया है एक ब्रह्मास्त्र की
oh,
तरह।
bhai.
That's very true, Suyash and Akhil. I'm awestruck at the
Wow.
sheer power that stage 1 is producing.
It just
With this, we
sprinted off the
have
pad.
two of our major prime mission objectives completed, which was successful ignition and
You
saved
can see
our
the pitch
clearance.
maneuver. What
That's
they
right,
call the
and we are
gravity
coming
curve.
up on max Q now, which is the period of maximum aerodynamic pressure, where the vehicle
Wow.
faces its largest aerodynamic loads as it flies through this zone at
दल
Wow,
काफी
the
उत्साहित
trajectory
है
is
इस समय
nominal.
विक्रम वन
Come on, let's go.
प्रथम चरण के आगे बढ़ रहा है
Wow.
और हमें श्रीहरिकोटा व पोर्ट ब्लेयर पृथ्वी स्टेशन से मजबूत दूर संकेत मिल रहे हैं, तो बहुत ही अच्छी खबर है।
That's right. We are at a downrange distance of 22
Awesome.
kilometers
Let's go. Wow.
with an altitude of 34 kilometers.
Oh wow.
And on your
Onboard
screens right
camera
now
view.
are
Hello,
excellent
nice.
onboard camera views from the vehicle.
And we can
I
also
like the
see
animation at
quite
the bottom.
nominal chamber pressure values on the MCC screen.
50 kilometers.
Stage
और
1.
यहाँ पे प्रथम चरण का प्रतिकरण हो चुका है और द्वितीय चरण का प्रज्वलन भी प्रारंभ हो चुका है।
Separation.
This is quite a
Come
major
on, show us
achievement for the
the
nation with the vehicle
show us the
successfully
onboard camera view. Come on.
separating stage 1 and the ignition of stage 2 as well.
Show us the stage separation.
Of course, our target velocity for today is 7.6.
S2 performance normal.
We've just heard
Okay,
call
now
out
we have
that
the
the
camera.
S2 performance or the
Onboard
stage 2
camera view.
performance is nominal.
From this angle, we can't say whether the stage 1 is attached or not. But
ये एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण है पूरे भारत और निजी अंतरिक्ष यात्रा का।
This vehicle has crossed 100 kilometers of altitude, which is
Okay,
the
now in
notion
space.
of edge of space.
Okay, the
And we
vehicle
have
is now
reached
in
space,
space.
guys.
Congratulations, Vikram 1 is in space.
awesome.
हम हमारा यान अंतरिक्ष तक पहुंच चुका है।
And we've had callouts of separation of the payload fairing. We have successful
Oh,
payload
fairing is also
separation.
separated. Oh boy, अगर orbit में पहुंच गया तो
It's
this would be
nearly at an
historic.
altitude of 120 kilometers.
First try में orbit
and the
पहुंचना is
protective fairing is no longer
amazing.
required and has been cleanly separated from the launch vehicle.
और यहाँ पे द्वितीय चरण का भी प्रतिकरण
Second stage,
संपन्न
third
हो
stage.
चुका है और तृतीय
Third stage
चरण का
ignition.
प्रज्वलन भी प्रारंभ हो चुका है।
That's right, Akhil. We've had
Wow.
successful ignition of stage 3.
This is already a much bigger success
traveling
success
at
than
nearly
a lot
4
of the other private
kilometers per
companies.
second. Now the telemetry will switch
amazing.
over from Shar,
Amazing.
Port Blair and further to Bogor.
Let's go.
अब यान अपनी अंतरिक्ष यात्रा पर निकल चुका है। तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन चालू है और उस
Plus 4 minutes.
की प्रतिक्रिया नियमित रूप से चल रही है.
And as you can
So
see on
far
your
it has been on
screens,
its nominal
we
trajectory,
have
which is
near
good.
exact following of the intended trajectory prediction.
Wow,
Um,
what a view!
This is on your screen
What a
on board
view
from stage 3.
to see on your
What you
very
see is
first
the rocket
launch.
plume and the nozzle, and Earth, our home. So stage 3 has a propellant loading of 2.5
Whoa,
tons.
nice engine
And
shutdown. Okay, stage 3 shutdown.
we've had burnout
Is it the
of the
coasting
stage
phase
3
now,
motor
or do they
as
have
planned
more?
at
S3
T plus
burnout.
5 minutes. Yes, we've gotten confirmation that S3 has burnt out, and now we're entering a planned coast period.
Coasting phase, nice.
Something that lasts for
Wow, all the
140
rocket motors
seconds,
burned
in
successfully,
which it's called
which is
as
amazing.
Combined coasting is normal.
Jubilant views from the launch control center, where the teams are extremely elated and excited.
Going along its intended trajectory exactly as expected. Our plots are really overlapping. The predicted velocities and the current flight velocities are exactly matching. And
That's a testimony.
aren't
to
you
the
guys
stability.
speechless right now?
I mean,
Great work,
या
guys.
मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है. मतलब ये मैं निशब्द हो चुका हूँ.
Separate.
S3 is separated.
और तृतीय चरण का
Oh,
प्रतिकरण भी
nice.
हो चुका
Finally,
है.
S3
And you
separation.
see wonderful views of S3
See the
separating.
vehicle turn suddenly because of
And
the.
now we have
Oh, come on!
combined
Don't bump into the rocket.
coasting has ended, and
Whoa.
stage 4 will now coast on its own
That's
for the
close.
next 130 seconds. So stage 4 will now fly
Stage
on its
3?
own, essentially.
Like that was not a clean separation. at all.
And
With
That
the
is
demonstration
worrisome
and the
because
satellite
SpaceX has
can be
lost
pointing in the
its
right
first,
direction.
the third
That's
launch like
Um,
this.
So one
But
unique
okay,
thing
at least it didn't bump into the
that
rocket,
has
which is good.
been done during separation is we've essentially fired all 4 of our Raman Mini
Yeah, that did
thrusters,
not look like a clean
to
separation, but
sort
the
of
vehicle is
push
moving as
stage
intended,
4
which is good.
away from stage 3.
S4 ignited.
S4
And we've
ignite,
heard
okay.
call out that S4 or stage 4 has ignited successfully.
और चतुर्थ और अंतिम चरण का भी प्रज्वलन हो चुका है.
The liquid
Nice.
engine has come alive over 400 kilometers above the Earth, beginning a burn that will last for more
400
than 6
kilometers. So they
minutes.
are already
During
past
this phase, the
almost
vehicle will
towards the
steadily
orbit of,
accelerate from about 6.68
into
kilometers per
space.
second
Wow,
to nearly
that's a big
7.64
orbit.
kilometers per second, delivering the precise velocity needed to achieve its planned 450 by 450 kilometers circular low Earth orbit at a 60-degree inclination.
The current altitude of the vehicle is 426 kilometers. Our target is near 450. We're traveling at 6.5 kilometers per second. This engine wasn't an easy design. Raman 2 generates 1500 newtons of thrust, and it employs 3 different types of cooling. As if one wasn't enough, we had to put in 3.
Nice.
So we have regenerative cooling, then we have radiative cooling, and we have film cooling. And all 3 of these need to work seamlessly in sync to deliver this phenomenal outcome. Those
S4
tubes,
performance normal.
um,
Plus 15 minutes.
और यहाँ पर हमको मिशन नियंत्रण केंद्र से संकेत मिल रहे
Come
हैं कि
on now,
चतुर्थ
just the
चरण
payload
का
deployment
भी
and this mission
performance
would be a
सामान्य है.
huge success.
और अभी यान 450 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई तक पहुंच चुका है, जो कि उसका निर्धारित कक्षा है.
Nice.
and we've got confirmation that
Flight, I
Wow,
guess, forever.
congratulations, Skyroad.
Yes.
This is incredible.
to
Vikram
perform.
1 Agaman mission is a grand success.
Wow.
And we've
They
heard
declared
call out
themselves.
from the mission director that
Awesome.
the Agaman mission is a
हाँ?
grand success.
तो वही इंडिया का पहला प्राइवेटली बिल्ट ऑर्बिटल
Thank you
रॉकेट
for
और
joining
वेरी
us
फर्स्ट ट्राई
today.
में दे रीच्ड ऑर्बिट, they did
Thank you for being with
everything
us
went
on this
nominally
historic
and they
journey
did
today.
payload
With Raman
payload
2
deployment
and
as well,
Vikraman now
which is just
safely in orbit,
incredible.
we are not
पर में एक नया उज्जवल अध्याय खोल दिया है. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद. जय भारत.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
This is a huge testament to their testing campaign. They have tested every subsystem very thoroughly and that documented. They have done a great job of documenting them on YouTube for us audience, which is really great. So props to Skyroad
Good
for
afternoon,
always being
everyone.
transparent and yeah, achieving this massive success on their first try.
We'll let them celebrate.
Wow. So now we will have some obligatory speeches. Congratulations. Thank you guys.
Good
guys
afternoon.
for watching with me and hope you enjoyed the live stream and I'll see you in the next one.
I am privileged